Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I just remembered I forgot to turn my, see, it never fails. There we go. Got my volume off on my phone. Real quick, I want to show you, okay, this is drying a little darker than I thought it would. So I'm happy with it. No cracks yet. I did, it was so funny yesterday. I had it sitting on the table and I kind of ran, oh, excuse that, that's my coffee maker. I'm all about the coffee this early in the morning. I ran my arm through here and I think I messed it up there, but I think there's a way I can fix that. Okay, and something else I don't know if I showed you guys or not is how my pretty turquoise coral orange turned out. I'm trying to get it close. I love those cells. Let me turn it around so you can see the cells down there. Now I'm not sure which way I'm going to hang it. I don't know if I'm going to hang it this way, this way, this way, or this way. But I still have to sand the drips off the back because I forgot to tape. And real quick, here are two of the coasters that I made. I love these two colors together. It's my new favorite color combination. And I'll show you real quick the other two, because I can't remember if I did this in any one of my videos. Okay, now I see what I'm doing wrong. There we go. I did change my camera on the screen because I was told that when I go live, the chat covers it up, covers up the left side. So I'm going to try it this way Tuesday night and see if that's better. Anyway, okay, today I am doing a simple alcohol ink project on a black tile. This is a, oh, I think that's an 8x8. I'm not sure how big it is. I get them at Lowe's. I taped off the back, okay, and I'm basically going to try to do what I saw Jeff do the other night, which was make smoke. So I got a black background. Now I'm going to be using Pinata inks today, okay? So Pinata inks, especially the white, excuse me, work best with the alcohol blending solution. As you can see, this bottle's almost empty, so I had to go buy a couple bottles. So that's basically all I'm going to do. So I do know from asking a few people to make sure I do this the right way. You use the alcohol blending solution on top of anything you spray painted. This is just spray painted with a flat black primer. Oh, try saying that 3 times fast. Flat black primer. And let me shake up this. Oh, you know what? I'm going to need to have some, no, I can't do that. You will, in case I make a mistake, I've got a squirt bottle with some 99% alcohol in it, just in case I need to clean it off. But I was told 99% alcohol doesn't work. It kind of eats through the paint, okay? Anyway, so let's get this going, okay? I'm just putting down some blending solution. Don't know if I put down too much or not. Okay, now I'm shaking up this, and I can already see that it is it not level? Okay, now I'm just going to put a few drops. Okay, now I got my handy dandy Revlon hair dryer. I'm going to put it on low because I don't want to blow it too far. So let's see what happens. That went a little bit too far, didn't it? So I'm going to have to hold it up here very high. Okay. It is looking like smoke. I'm just going to mouth blow it. I do not know what that is. I don't know if that's a chunk of paint or what. I'm not sure if I put too much in there of the blending solution or what I did. Well, it is looking like smoke. Didn't want to do a really big design. That looks like another little chunk of something. Okay, let me try. I think I need to find a hairdryer that's just a little bit less power. You don't want to hold it directly on your piece. That much I do know. Okay, I'm going to turn it up to high heat, so maybe it'll start drying it a little bit. But I am going to add one or two colors on top of this just to see how it works, because I've never done this before, but I wanted to see how the white, if I can make smoke, which kind of looks like smoke to me. Okay, I'm turning it down to cool because it seems to be drying it too quickly now. And it looks like everything is dry. So, I'm going to... Now, you might be able to see where the edge is at of the alcohol blending solution, but that's okay because you don't need to worry about it. Okay, I think that's enough white. I do want to try, that was the Blanco Blanco by Pinata, and this one is the Senorita Magenta. So I'm not sure. Let me just try, let me put down just a little bit of this. I don't want to put a lot down. And let me put 2 drops and see how it blows around. I think the white will make it more vibrant. Excuse me. And that's something I don't really like, is those little fingers, so I'm trying not to get that. But it's going to happen, I guess, because I'm not that great with the hairdryer. I might be able to get rid of it by putting a little bit more blending solution on it. I kind of got rid of it. I'm not happy with that, so let me see if I can blow it back a little bit. So, I will say that the white makes some really good looking smoke, okay? I'm not too adept at using colors, so let me try a little bit of blue over here. Whoops. that was definitely tilting. So there's a little bit of the alcohol blending solution, and I'm going to put 1 drop of blue on it. This is Baja blue. I had to look. So let me see now what I can do with this. I don't like that white ring, so I'm going to put a little bit more right here to try to soften up that white. And it's not working, so I do want to add a little bit of gold. I forgot to get it out, but let me. Okay, now I transferred my gold because I got a big 4-ounce bottle to one of these little bottles with a needle nose on it. And everything looks dry, so I just want to put a little bit of gold in there with the blending and some blending solution, because I can tell you that I do know that the metallics have to have blending solution. I don't know what it is with the alcohol. It makes it look weird to me. So I prefer, even on a regular alcohol piece, I prefer to use blending solution. So let me just put a little bit right here. And a little bit of gold in there. Hopefully that doesn't take over. We will find out, won't we? It looks like I got some of the pink mixed, the magenta mixed in with the gold, but that's okay. I did want to break up that pink line right there, so let me see if I can do that. Okay, I'm probably making a mess, but okay, I kind of like that. Okay, I'm going to let it dry. Nice thing about alcohol is you can always, alcohol inks is you can always re-wet them. Okay, so I need another 2 lids for this to sit on over here, over to the side. Yes, these are the ones I use with resin. I'm going to get one more tile, and I'm going to try just some white and then put a little bit of gold on top of it. Okay, here is my tile. It's looking okay. The gold didn't really, it took over in the middle, but not that bad. Let me move it over so you can see it. I'm going to put them both right here, and I'll hold them up too. Oh, my nose is running. We can tell that spring is here because my allergies are acting up bad. Okay. Okay, now. Ah, see, there it goes. It's running towards the edge. So, let me get my hair dryer out and try to blow it back. See, I'm just blowing it around, trying to get some sort of a smoke look in it. And I am going to try one thing before this on this one. I don't know what it's going to do, but I'm going to try putting down some alcohol, some gold first, and then putting blending solution on top of it. Don't know if that's going to give me anything better looking. I'm holding my hair dryer almost 10 inches above. Well, it didn't break it up. And push it in other places. Let me see if I can add a little bit more blending solution right there. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking one little drop of gold up here, and then put a little bit of blending solution on it, just to give it a little focal point up here, a little gold focal point. Come on, get over the gold. Come on, guys. See, alcohol is so hard to tame and get it to go where you want it to that it's hard trying to break up that line, because I don't want a really thick white line right there. Well, I guess I'm not going to be able to break it up. So, okay, let me turn this off. This is all I'm going to do today. This is, now I don't know all the ins and outs about the hair dryer, and I probably need to get that I forgot what it's called. When I get one, I'll show you. It's like a heat brush or a curling brush, but you take the brush attachment off, and then you got a smaller thing. I do like this one. I do like this one. I like both of them. Okay, alcohol ink is not, you know, it's hard to tame. So anyway, so thank y'all for watching today. I hope you learned something maybe, and if not, oops, this fell over. If not, maybe you can put down in the comments what you think I should have done, because to tell you the truth, I'm new to alcohol inks, okay? I'm new to all of this, really, when you get right down to it. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Don't forget to hit the little bell for the notifications. And, let me see, get you... You know what? You can't see the edges of it. There we go. There we go. That's a little bit better. Okay. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Hit the little bells for the notifications to know when I'm going to put up another video. I'm all about fluid arts, and I am branching out from resin art, so I can't say I love the resin right out of you today. I love the alcohol inks right out of you guys, okay? Thank you for coming on to my journey, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.